Deep in the heart of the Pacific Ocean, where the water sparkled like 1,000 diamonds, lived a sea turtle named Lani. Lani wasn't like the other turtles who loved basking in the warm sun or gliding lazily through the coral gardens. Lani was curious, adventurous, and always looking for answers to life's big questions. One day, as Lani swam near the reef, she overheard a group of dolphins talking about the whispering waves, a mysterious part of the ocean where the currents seemed to hum with secrets. Intrigued, Lani asked her best friend, Kai the clownfish, "What do you think the whispering waves are?" Kai puffed up his chest. "Oh, I've heard about them. They say the waves carry messages from the past, but it's dangerous to go there, Lani. Only the bravest dare to explore." But Lani's curiosity was unstoppable. What if those messages could teach us something important, she thought. So she decided to embark on her most daring journey yet. As Lani swam deeper into the ocean, the colors began to fade, and the water turned a deep shade of blue. She met a wise old octopus named Una, who warned her, "The whispering waves test not your strength, but your heart. Be prepared to face what you fear the most." Lani felt a shiver, but pressed on. Soon she entered the mysterious zone. The water seemed alive, swirling and singing in a language she couldn't quite understand. Suddenly, images appeared in the currents, flashes of her own life. She saw herself as a tiny hatchling, struggling to make it to the ocean while seagulls circled above. She saw her family, her friends, and even the times she felt alone and scared. At first, Lani felt overwhelmed, but then she realized the waves weren't trying to scare her. They were showing her how far she had come. Each challenge she had faced had made her stronger, braver, and wiser. Just as Lani began to understand the lesson, the waves grew calm, and a soft voice whispered, "The greatest treasure of the ocean is not gold or pearls, but the courage to keep swimming, no matter how strong the current. With a newfound sense of purpose, Lani returned to her reef. She shared her story with Kai and the other sea creatures, inspiring them to face their fears and embrace life's adventures. Now, as we fold this origami turtle together, let's remember Lani's journey. Life will have its challenges, just like the ocean has its waves. But with courage and determination, we can navigate through anything. So what will your folded turtle represent? A reminder to stay curious, to face your fears, or to inspire someone else to dive into their own adventure?